Hey there, Wall Street winners. It is Thursday, March the 12th, just before noon Eastern time, and the markets are in the red. They took a dive in the futures markets last night after close. Yesterday actually turned out to be a fairly positive day in the end, and then things came crashing down due to the conflict going on over in Iran. And despite what the president says about the war almost being over and the US winning, blah, 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 it's all rhetoric until they can get the Strait of Hormuz open. Whether the war continues, as long as the Strait of Hormuz opens and oil and natural gas and other goods can start to flow, that's the only time in my opinion, that we're going to see markets rebound and start to come back. So up until that point, oil is probably your best bet in terms of a sector to focus on. You are seeing some positives out here in other sectors, but until the war is over, it's going to be pretty bleak across sectors, and it's probably going to be specific to companies that are releasing earnings. So the dollar companies, Dollar General, Dollar Tree, are coming out with earnings shortly. Micron's coming out with earnings shortly. But the real movers here are in the oil sector. And oddly enough, when oil has been going up recently, energy has been, utilities have been going down. And we're seeing the exact opposite today, where utilities like Con Ed and Vistra are both up and oil is up at the same time. And I think where you want to focus on oil are the US based refineries, particularly those on the Gulf, like Valero, which has always been a big pick for me. Because of the Venezuela connection and the importing of Venezuelan oil. You can see there's a lot of red on the screen. I think today's a great day to look at Micron, maybe NVDL as well. It was up yesterday, down now today, but coming back. And then one of my other big favorites here, based on the announcement just earlier this week, was TSM. TSM dropping $15 today, down into the 330s. This was at 380 a few weeks ago. And the war is going to get resolved, and this stock is continuing to move higher with the AI semiconductor demand. So I think you're going to do super well with TSM or TSMU, the 2 times ETF. And then, I mean, Google's been holding around the 300s. It's dipped into the low 200s or the high 200s and then back into the low 300s. I think that's solid for a long-term buy and hold at those levels. And then you've got financials. I love Goldman Sachs. It's down in the 790s today, off $32. This is like going to be one of the first companies to report, and earnings are going to be rock solid. This thing's going to jump if the war is over. Good luck in your trades. If you like the videos, hit the like and subscribe button.